creating a dialog or a menu here in Unity is very simple. You're gonna use the UI elements that it offers. So if you click on the game object here, you got a option here named UI. Here are the list of the UI elements you're gonna use. Every menu or dialog starts with a canvas. So what's actually a canvas? Let's say a canvas is some field or a screen that will show in front of the camera all the elements that are inside the canvas. As you can see, if we remove the canvas and we try to create a text, the canvas will be created automatically by itself. Now, let's say if you want to make a title in front of the camera, like this is the title of the menu. Now as you can see here, I've wrote this is the title of the menu, and here we don't have the menu listed written here, or like in the game it says this is the title of it doesn't show the menu. To fix this issue, all you need to do is you're gonna click on it says horizontal overflow. It means it means from left to right. It will overflow its limit. If we change to overflow, now you can see here we got the menu written now. Also, you can overflow the vertical here from up to down like this. Now the menu will be written down in the bottom. Also, as you can see here, it doesn't matter where your camera is set or where it's viewing, what direction it's seeing, and so on. The canvas will always show what's in front of the camera. Wherever the camera is, wherever the camera is looking, the canvas will always display all the elements that are inside the canvas. Imagine this square here as the canvas, and the canvas is empty. It's like you're seeing through the canvas. These here stuff is also nothing. Let's say if we create a carrion here or a cube, you're seeing that through the canvas here, the cube as well. Now you can't see through the text here. You can also edit the text to, let me just go a bit here. To change its color or size, you can change the font size like to any size you want. Let's say it can be 30. Make sure you don't use too big size because it won't appear at all, but you can also make it appear. I can't use let's say I can't use a size that is greater than 1000. It will actually, I will only see this here that are inside the canvas like this. I only see this instead of this is the title of the menu. And the font size limit is 300. You can change the color, as I said, and the font here. You can import your own fonts. You can change the font style. Let it be bold, let it be italic, or bold and italic, or just leave it to normal. You can make line spacing. You can use the rich text button here, I mean checkbox. So what this rich text checkbox does is If we leave it marked, we can manipulate inside the text here to use some tags such as bolding, just like HTML tags. As you can see here now, the menu is bolded. You can make it italic, as you can see here. Maybe it's a bit hard to see, but it's italic. Now if we remove the rich text here, it won't display the tags. You can set the alignment here like this. You can also the vertical alignment. You can also leave it to automatically align by the geometry. As I said, what the horizontal and vertical overflow does. Now here you got an option that says best fit. What it does, it will automatically set the font size and the spacing by its, let's say you got a user that has different resolution than the other. One has 800 times 600 and the other has 1024 times 726 resolution. Now what this does, it will adjust to its screen the font size and line spacing, let's say like this. I'm going to demonstrate it. I've placed it to be best fit. It says the minimum size and the maximum size. You can also set the best fit for the minimum sizes here. Now if I move my screen, you can see that text is also getting adjusted. I'm going to change it a bit to give a better example. I'm going to remove the overflow here. I'm going to remove the best fit. Oh yeah, now it's good. Now if I click on the best fit here, you see the text is aligning. And let's say if I change the minimum size to 10, well, let's say 30, no, 20. Now the minimum size will be 20 here. It will adjust to the user's screen, the size of the font. You can also change the color of the text to what do you desire. You can also add a material here. But you need to use a fitting material that fits your text here. Now the final thing here is a raycast target. What it does, let's say if you have this checked on, now if you play the game, if you click on your text, it will be affected by its click. I mean, your game, your menu will be affected by its click, and you can add a script. Let's say if the text is clicked do something, you can do it. Now if you tick this off and you click on the text and you made a script, if this text is clicked to do something, it won't work if you click on the text while the raycast target is not checked.